Oh no. Graham's been shopping again. What's he bought now? Graham! Graham! What have you bought?
Wait and see. Welcome to Gear Talk. So, welcome back to the channel. As you're aware by now, we've got a new addition to the family, which is the BMW K1600 GT SE. Beautiful black thing, as you're aware. Just one thing missing. Top box. Shall we have a look? Yeah, let's do it. Oh, excited. So, here we go.
Glamorous assistant.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that, baby.
Got it? Oh, it's like Christmas.
So, what we've got,
Wow.
it's colour coded, by the way. It's got built-in backrest. It's all hooked up for central locking. But as you can see, it's just got the blanking plating. Not good. So I've had to go shopping again. I've got the high level brake light, but that's another video. For this one, I'll show you, we'll give a talk round it, we'll show you it all round and see what it's all about. But yeah, that is one hell of a sexy kit. Right, now we've got it out of the box. As you can see, you've got the backrest there, which is really, really nice. It's comfy, it's soft. Hinges on both sides.
They look like heavy duty hinges as
Yeah,
well.
they are out there. And what we've got here, I've got this, which is colour coded to the bike. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can pick up on the
Yeah, you can.
on the fleck.
Oh, that's, yes. You can really see it reflecting off the lights on the roof.
And then underneath, we've got some feet. So basically, on your rack on the back, this slides underneath. Well, it's all made out for this to slide in as well as this. But also, we've got a secondary locking mechanism inside where you twist it and it locks in. You will not be able to pull that off.
So there's no additional plate that needs to be added to the back?
No, this is made, it's from BMW, it's made for BMW, for the funnily enough, it's made for the K16 and I believe the RT.
Really?
I could be wrong, but I believe it. I think it is for the RT as well. So it's it does both.
All right.
But like I say, we've got to have a look inside now, and that gives us a view of the inside.
So the key has it been coded to your bike
It's
yet?
coded to my bike,
Yeah.
but obviously that will never ever get used because it's all up central locking.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what I was saying, Stu.
What do you get for your money?
Oh, smell that. Oh,
Oh, we should have smelly tube.
so there we go. So we've got release and we've got lock.
That is quite a thick carpet, isn't it? Quite plush.
Yeah,
Right, so
there we go. Can you see that?
yeah, that's to lock it onto the
So basically,
back plate.
and then you can't do it until it's on.
Yeah.
You'll see once we put that on. But yeah, a piece of kit, and you know what? For the passenger, or the pillion, that'll just stop her moaning all day.
Quick question then.
Yeah.
Maybe you won't be able to answer this yet. Can you fit two full-faced helmets in? What do you reckon?
I'm saying yes.
It looks big enough, doesn't it?
I'm gonna go yeah.
Yeah.
Shall we try it?
Go on then.
Shall we go get some?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, being for the helmets, let's try it.
Okay. And what are they, Graham? What?
So basically, this is a crash helmet, Stuart.
Is it?
Yes. So,
I thought it was one of your kinky costumes.
so you're at it again, aren't you? Can't let it go, can we? So, it's the X-Lite The carbon fibre one.
Okay. Is that a XL? Or...
This is the XL,
Right. So
yeah.
these are both your old helmets then?
Well, I won't say old, but yeah, these are both.
So they're both a full face.
Yeah, that's my old HJC.
So full face, XL size helmets.
Right, so they fit in that way.
Quite easily, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Hey. Oh, I'm not gonna push it because. Oh. Let's try. No.
That's a real surprise.
No. No, they won't go. Well. Unbelievable. You can see how the box is cut out for the helmets. So you can face them, you know. It's as if they've had a go. They've gone symmetrical as far as to... So it curves for the back.
Yeah.
But it also includes two helmets. Can you see that?
That's really surprising.
But it's you've got such a curvature on the inner. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's bad, that, isn't it?
That's a genuine surprise. Given the size of it, I thought easily. What about just one?
No.
No way.
No.
Wow. And they're not massive helmets, are they? Albeit,
No.
yes, okay, the X-Lite's got a bit of a spoiler on the back, but it's not an oversized helmet, it's not an adventure size.
No, not at all.
Just a standard full face helmet.
See, that will. See, that'll go in on its own.
Right.
Oh, no. I'm straining something there. I'm not, it's not happy. It's not happy going in. So,
Thumbs down on that one then.
have you got to buy a BMW helmet?
Well, let us know in the comments if you've got one of these boxes and you've had any more luck than what we have in getting your helmets in. What helmets have you been using? All right, moving on. Ready when you are.
Welcome to... I went all right until I saw your mum. Welcome back to the channel, Gear Talk.